So I recently decided to fund a Robinhood account with $100 to prove to you guys you don't need thousands of dollars to get started with swing trading. All you need is a solid strategy. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how much money I made or lost with my $100 Robinhood account for my swing trading challenge. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years. And exciting news, we released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find these stocks, my strategies, my mindset, and I know a lot of people cringe at the thought of a YouTuber putting a course online, but I'm telling you it's worth it. There's live streams, lectures, quizzes. It's fantastic. I'll put it down below. We're doing a holiday sale until the new year, so make sure you guys check it out down below. But guys, let's dive into it. All right, so like I said a little bit ago, I decided to fund a Robinhood account with $100. Now, the reason why is really simple. There's this huge misconception when it comes with trading in the markets that you need thousands of dollars to get started, and that couldn't be further from the truth. All you need is a solid strategy where you can make money. A lot of people think that if you're making $10 a day, you're only ever going to make $10 a day. No, that's not the case. The only thing that's separating you from making $100 a day, if you're making $10 a day, is honestly just one thing, and that's share size. The great thing about swing trading is the profits you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow because everything is compounded. So you'll see accounts get grown very, very, very fast. Now, obviously, with swing trading, there is a ton of risk involved. And starting out, the biggest recommendation that I would give a new beginner is to learn as much as you can into paper trade. Paper trading is using simulated money to develop a plan and strategy so you can get a general idea of what type of trader you are. Now, for me, I love finding stocks that are on support lines with an upward trend. That's my bread and butter play. So now that we kind of understand that stuff, let's see how much money we made. So pulling up my Robinhood account, you guys will see my total account balance is near and around $656, which is incredible. This past week, I did make a little over about $65, which I'm honestly very, very happy with that. You know, like I said, I started with $100 and I've been slowly just growing this account. My goal for next week is to make about $75 to $80. Obviously, that's my goal. The great thing about swing trading isn't about making home run hits. All you got to do is just do base hits. Those 2, 3, 4, 5% profits every week will go a long way. All right, now that we understand how much money I made and lost, now let's turn to the computer and see some of the stocks that I traded. And don't forget to check out my swing trading course where we talk about how to find those stocks. Down below, check it out. All right, so we are up and loaded here. Now, we use Moomoo for all of our charting, all of our scanning, and all of our indicators. The reason why is, in my opinion, it's a lot better than Robinhood. And honestly, this is where my large account sits with my full-time swing trading. So it's a lot easier to just use Moomoo for all my scanning and all my other stuff, and then just make the trades on my phone. That's kind of what I do. So starting out with the first stock that I traded here was ticker symbol XPEV. You guys will see that it does have tendencies of getting a lot of support near and around this 1350 mark. So honestly, what I did is I hopped in near and around 1394, setting my stop loss pretty much below $13. So I'm risking about 50 cents to possibly make upwards of, if this thing starts squeezing up to $15, $16, I'm risking 50 cents to possibly make, $2, $4 a share, which is absolutely fantastic. We do have that basic support right here, basic resistance. So if it does squeeze up to $18, that is a $5 per share gain. Now, with this account, in my opinion, when growing a small account, it's all about getting those base hits. It's not about hitting these home run plays where you're making 100, 200%. In my opinion, when you do that, that's just a recipe for disaster. I would rather see you guys make 5, 6% a week than trying to make these trades that are 20, 30, 50%. It's way too risky and you'll burn through accounts. So here's what I did. Like I said, I hopped in and I honestly had this day where this stock squeezed up upwards of 8%. 8% in a single day. I took my profits and just sat on the sidelines. I do hold this stock though with my larger account, and I'm doing something called a trailing stop. So I'm just keep bringing my stop loss up as the stock continues to go up. That's a good strategy for stocks that are continuing to rally up and stocks that are coming into resistance. Resistance for the stock is going to be that red line, that 200-day moving average line. We'll see some resistance here and at that 90 moving average line, but an 8% profit in a matter of about 1 to 2 days is absolutely great. And that was over a 40%, or not 40%, that was over a $40 profit, which is awesome. Stock number two. Stock number two was a stock that we traded a little bit ago, but you guys will see that this stock has heavy support near and around this 264 mark. We hopped in, setting our stop loss below 250, so we're risking about 14 cents to possibly see this thing squeeze up, to 290. So we're risking 14 cents to possibly make 40 cents, which is a great risk and reward. Now, we did sell our shares though near and around this 280 mark, and honestly, the reason why is because we were getting a lot of volatility. This thing does have a little bit of some resistance in here, and honestly, I just took my profits and sat on the sidelines. It's always better to just take your profits and sit on the sidelines and see what happens. Like I said, it's all about those 2-4% profits rather than hitting those home run plays. So another stock that we actually were looking to trade was PLTR. PLTR does have some support on that 90 moving average line. We did recently trade this stock from $17 to about $18 right on this move. We're honestly looking to hop into this thing again on that moving average line to see if we could hop in at 17, set your stops below, pretty much 16.90, so you're risking 10 cents to possibly make, upwards of $1, which is a pretty solid risk and reward. PLTR though is a little volatile, and we do have this decent downward trend, but we could possibly have a pretty strong reversal coming very, very soon. And a little bit of a bull flag pattern. As you can see, we could see that buying pressure in that reversal. So another stock that we are holding here is Disney. Disney, the reason why is very, very simple. Disney does have some support right here. You guys will see it comes in contact, hits it. We're getting a little buying pressure, a little doji forming, which is a trend reversal. So we could see a possible move going back up to about $94. I hopped in on Disney at about $82 a share, all the way down, in this range here. And the reason why is very, very simple. As we go to the quarterly chart and we look at it, you guys will see it has tendencies of using these moving average lines as support, that 90 and 200. And as we go to present day, you guys will see it hit it and we got buying pressure. I hopped in at about $82. Hoping I could get in, below 80. Couldn't get the fill. And we're setting our stop loss pretty much at about $75. So we're risking, about $7 a share to possibly see this thing squeeze up to 107. That would be our first profit. And then obviously 140 would be a dream. Now, Disney is a stock that I plan on holding for a couple of months. This is the longer play, and the reason why is because instead of looking at the daily chart like we normally swing trade, we're looking at the quarterly chart. So this type of play will take a lot longer. Now, a recent stock that we are looking to hop in is ticker symbol NR. The reason why, as we go to the daily chart, you guys will see it has basic support right here at about about $6.62, as well as that 90 moving average line, which as we zoom out, you guys will see it used it as support in the past. So we could see a little move going from, this $6.64 up to about $7.28, setting your stops below it at about $6.47. So you're risking about 20 cents to possibly make almost $1, which is a great risk and reward. So these were some of the stocks that I recently traded. Ticker symbol NR is a play that we are in the works with, and the rest are kind of positions and strategies that I used. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Don't forget to check out my course. We're doing the holiday sale for this month alone till the new year. So check it out. We'll see you guys later. Take care.